Wait. The white one. You gotta be honest. If it tastes of baby wipe, if not, be honest.
Baby white flavour.
Tastes of real babies.
Right, what's that one? Dave, you haven't even bit it yet. Eat it.
Filming me.
Yes. Go. What's that taste?
Oh God, that does taste like a baby white.
Oh, I'm really hot now. I've laughed that much. Okay, here you go. Try this one.
That is.
I had baby wipe. I had to spit it out.
Baby white first, centipede second. What are we doing on this one?
This one should be either vomit or mouldy cheese.
This is going to be gross.
Bush took a try at it.
Is that a nice one?
None of them are nice, are they?